I'm Mark Cowden, I'm brand manager for Escea gas fireplaces. We design and manufacture a range of luxury gas fires which we sell throughout New Zealand, Australia, USA and Europe. So we've got an ASL over wireless link which gives us symmetrical, so we're 7 megabits both upload and download speed. The reason we went to that was we had copper down here, but we're about the last on the line, and we had a very unreliable service. And times it went fine, other times it didn't go at all, and that taught us the importance of the internet. It really did. All businesses these days are about processing large quantities of information, and obviously the internet is the place you go for a lot of that. We're perpetually monitoring what's going on in the world markets, what our competitors are doing, what changes are going on, so this does see some of us spending quite a bit of time on the internet. As well as that, it is probably our key communication method for people around the world these days, and without it we don't get to talk as well as we could. So, having used internet from the very early days, I've seen how much every time there's a leapfrog in speed in the internet, just how much all the services behind it improve. And I think ultra-fast broadband would be the same. We would just get that whole step up again. I think the first big step we would get as a company would be the improvement in communications. At the moment, if we have a major problem with one of our overseas partners, whether it be a supplier or one of our customers, it often results in somebody hopping on a plane and flying over there to sort it out. Yes, we have some sort of video conferencing capacity at the moment, but it's slow, it's clunky, it's not very good, and whilst a much faster internet-based system wouldn't stop us putting people on planes, it would certainly slow down or reduce the necessity of it in a lot of occasions. So they would certainly be the main ones. The other uses would be software as a service, as I've mentioned. We feel a lot more confident about accessing the latest and greatest in technology rather than saying, look, we'll stay with the old system we've got for a bit longer just because we know it works and it's safe. The other one, at the moment, sometimes when we're downloading stuff and things, it stops, it pauses your work process, it kicks you out of the zone. Often you end up saying, well, I'll come back to that later when the download's finished, and then you've got to start, you've got to catch up with where you are, you're going again. So it's just an interruption to your day's work. Well, obviously to be any use at all, the business has to embrace the ultra-fast broadband, the Gigatown. If we're only using it to download movies a bit faster, really it's pointless. And for some businesses, I don't actually think it will make that much difference. Yes, they'll get their emails a little bit faster, but it's not going to be great effect to them. But for other businesses, it's going to be a big step forward. These are the companies who are always out looking to improve their businesses. They're always looking for better ways, and obviously faster broadband is going to be one of them. These are the companies who have already proven that they can play in the global marketplace. They're niche players. They have the need to communicate regularly overseas, and I think as soon as it's there, those companies will pick up and run with it. And we've certainly got some good examples in Dunedin of companies who are poised, waiting to go, ours being one of them. If Dunedin won Gigatown, it would be another step in Dunedin returning to its former glory as one of the commercial centres of New Zealand.